All right, welcome to Piano with Mr. Wright. Welcome back again. Today I want to do hand and exercise number 1. We're going to do both hands up and down today, and we are going to do some arpeggios, okay? Four octaves, and let's do our chromatic scale as well today. All right, and then maybe a little chord progression. Okay, so let's start with hand and exercise number 1, okay? We've done this before, but C, we're going to skip a note, but not a finger, up and down, go to D, same thing, okay? Same thing with the left hand, okay? All right, let's start. I'm going to play both hands. You can choose to play one or the other if you wish. Ready, begin. C, now to D, D, E, F, G. Let's do 2 more. Last one going upward, B. Okay, I'm going to pause here for a moment because maybe if you got lost. So the last one I did was B, and now my pinky in my right hand and my thumb in my left hand are on G. We're going to reverse it now. So G, skip a note coming downward and back up. Okay, let's go downward now. Ready, begin. G, skip, F, skip, E, skip, D, skip, C, skip, B, skip, 2 more, last one, G, and what we do is just add a C note, extra C note at the end to make sure it sounds like it's done. All right, so that's hand in number 1 with 2 hands. All right, what did we say next? Let's do, arpeggios. All right, so we're gonna do 2 hands. Make sure you use 5, 3, and 1 in both hands. 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, 5, 3. And we're gonna do the same thing up. And when we get to the top, we're gonna lift our hand and play that note twice. Reverse it. Notice left hand goes over the right, right hand under the left in this case. Right hand over. There we go. Let's try it together now. Ready, begin. C, E, G, C, E. Left hand over. Right hand, lift and reverse. Left hand over. Let's do that one more time. C, E, G. Good. Let's do 1 or 2 more of these. We're going to go to D now and do a D minor. Same. It's going to feel in my fingers exactly the same. We're simply starting in that D note. Going to play the D minor chord. Ready, begin. D, 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 D. Lift and reverse. Let's move to E now. 1 more note over E minor chord. Ready, begin. There you go. And eventually, of course, you'll be quite fast and smooth at it. All right. Chromatic scale. Okay, chromatic scale is the one where we play every single note. Today we're just going to go to C, 1 octave, okay? And our fingering here is just 1, 2, and 3. That's all we're going to use. Mostly 1 and 3. Thumb for the white notes, middle finger for the black notes. When I get to 2 white notes in a row, that's when I'm going to use that 2nd finger, okay? Let's try it together, nice and slow. Ready? I'm just going to do the right hand only. Ready? Begin. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 1, 2, reversing. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. Let's do it again. Ready, begin. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, reverse. Let's start on the C. Ready, begin. 2, 1, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1, 3, 1. actually, if I kept going, it'd be 3, 2, 1. All right, let's do the left hand now, starting with the thumb and then the 3. And don't forget, you can move your wrist around to kind of make it easier. You want it light and loose. You don't want to have a lot of tension in your hands as you play. You want to use only enough effort to actually play the notes. All right, ready, begin. 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. Let's play the C again and reversed. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, and I'm going to end on the 1. Let's try it one more time. I'm not going to say the notes, the numbers this time. Ready, begin. 1. Reverse it. Play the C again and reverse. There's our chromatic scale, and then eventually you learn to play it with the 2 hands. Okay. What else do we see? We do a little chord progression. We did, I think, a week or so ago. We did this one. We're going to play a C chord. Move these 2 fingers up to the F chord, back to the C chord. We're going to do a G chord in first inversion, we call that, and back to C. So it looks like this. Let's try that together. Ready, begin. Let's move to the D minor chord now, but the same fingering change. It'll feel exactly the same in our fingers. Ready, begin. Now we're going to go to the E minor and do the same thing. Ready, begin. Let's go to the F chord. Ready, begin. Let's go to the G chord now. Ready, begin. A minor, ready, begin. B chord, B diminished chord. And finish with the C chord. All right. There we go. All right. So that'll do it, I think, for today. Have a great week, everyone, and we'll see you next time on Piano with Mr. Wright.